This is YouTube homework, chapter 5, exercise 8. And the question was to draw a bar graph with different kind of colors, and one of it was when every time it's greater than 200, my turtle's supposed to fill the color by rate, and every time it's in between 100 and 200, Alex is supposed to fill the bar graph by yellow color, and every time it's less than 0, then Alex is supposed to fill the bar graph by green color. So the first thing I did was to import the turtle and set the screen and set my turtle's name as Alex and Alex pin size at 3. Then I just wanted to move Alex from the center of the screen to the left side. Then so I did a function which moves Alex to draw a paragraph. Then I set a list in this and used a for loop to tell Alex every time it goes through a specific number, it should use this list of colors.